So, hello guys, good evening. I hope you all are doing really fine. Well, I'm doing really fine as well. So, today in this video, we are going to learn how do we download and set up Google Meet on our Android device. So, to do that, firstly, go to Play Store. You can find Google Meet anywhere. It is same with iOS too. Type Google Meet. Download the first one. It will take some time. After your file has been installed, just click on open and choose the one account you are going to use for your classes or your meetings. Continue. The Meet can take picture and record videos while using app. Only this time deny. You can choose any option. I will choose while using the app. While again allow Meet to record your audio while using the app. Only this time deny. I'll choose while using the app. You can choose any options. So if you want to host the meeting, just click on new meeting and start an instant meeting schedule in Google Calendar or get joining info to share. If you click on get joining info to share, you can share your link in any app like Messenger, Instagram, or any apps. And then if you start an instant meeting,
now here you can see the share invite button. After clicking on that, you will get a whole option here: Messenger, Instagram, Facebook. You can share your link to any of the social media and the other person will be joining through that social media. Now you can see the join a meeting option at the top right corner. Just click on that and you can see the enter a meeting nickname or a code provided by the meeting organizer. So type the meeting nickname or a code provided by the organizer and you will be able to join the meeting. So that's it guys. If you like our video, please like and subscribe, plus hit the notification bell for further more videos like this. Thank you for watching.